I'm just gonna go like on a little bit of a bike ride, even though it's about to rain, but I don't care. I'm just gonna use my sister's bike. I don't really care. My mountain bike over there, and my grandpa doesn't want to help me fix it. He fixed the handlebars, but I can live with it. Damn, guys, it's pretty dark out here. Oh, what if we have another storm like we did one summer, but I don't know. But this is cool, but I was trying to go with no hands for a little bit, but hey, there's a stop sign, hey. I need to slow down. Oh shit, wrong one. There's one handlebars on my sister thing that it's like broke. But like there's no man over there trying to yell at me because he thinks that this is public property where people drop off their kids to daycare center. This is a parking spot. He thinks it's his, and he's fucking yelling at me right now. You can't hear him because he's fucking old. He's like, hey, yeah, come on. Bitch, it's not yours. Neither's this damn creek over here, I'll show you. Oh, damn, it's getting dark out here. Damn, that hit my face. Oh, dude, it's kind of scary out here now. But, god damn it, there's something in mine. Ow. There's like something. He thinks this creek is his right over there, piece of shit. Oh, see, it's starting to rain now. But I don't give a fuck. Actually, I kind of do. There's not really much rain drops. It's either like little fishies popping up, but I'm getting out of this joint. Shit. At least I think this is a fucking creek. If it's not a creek, tell me in the comments below. I think it's a creek. Some people think it's just something, but good. Ow! Son of a bee. I'm gonna go down this hill so I can go back my way. Go back the way I came. Oh man, this can be hard for one fucking hand. I'm gonna go down this trail and go back my way home. Nah, look how dark it is.